어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all.
Hey everyone! Today is finally the day where I'm going to Korea. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to leave in like 30 minutes and I haven't done packing yet. I'll be staying in Korea for about 10 days. This will be my first time traveling completely alone. I do have a few friends there that I'm going to meet up with, but I won't be staying with them 24/7 since they have school and work to do. That means that the rest of the time I'm rather going to stay alone or have to meet new people. So I'm kind of nervous about that, but I'm looking forward to it. It's a new challenge for me in a different city, in a different country with new people. I'm gonna finish packing now and then I'll see you guys at the airport. I have successfully checked into my Airbnb. It was such a hassle to find it. The Airbnb owner had to help me and then he was here. He helped me carry my luggage, which was super sweet. I felt so stupid with my 2 huge suitcases walking around Hongdae. I'll give you a little tour. It's not the fanciest place, but it's fine for me alone. So here we've got the bathroom and the shower and the sink. It's all in one. And then here is like the kitchen with a washing machine and a fridge, a microwave, a little table, my bed, a mirror, and here's like the closet space. I'm going to unpack my stuff, shower, because look at my hair. It's so greasy and disgusting. I haven't washed my face and my teeth for like 12 hours. So I will see you guys later. I think I'll just walk around Hongdae alone for a bit because I actually met up with my friend earlier. I didn't film it because I had to wait 4 hours until my check-in. We just chatted. He showed me around his campus because he studies at Yonsei University, but he's a bit sick so he can't go out tonight. And also I've been here before, so I feel pretty comfortable here in Hongdae walking around. Assuming that I'll be a bit jet lagged later, I'm gonna sleep. So I'm all ready for the 17 concert tomorrow, y'all. I'm so excited for it. I have to buy a power bank just for filming it tomorrow because I know my camera roll is gonna be full. It's gonna be so packed. I'm all pink. I didn't bring many clothes because I was expecting to buy a lot here. So I'm gonna go out now. Also go to the convenience store because I'm gonna need water here. And I'm just gonna chill and walk around for a bit. god, they have nail stickers. I need to buy them. was everything that I bought. I went to the convenience store and got this custard bread, some ramen, boiled eggs, and then this power bank. Oh yeah, and also I got this huge water bottle. Honestly, I'm already so tired. My legs are giving up on me. I'm not that hungry, so I'm gonna skip the noodles for tomorrow. I'm just going to have these boiled eggs and my custard bread. I love breads here in Korea, but I love sweet bread. I was just walking around in Hongdae alone in the main area. It was nice to see all the places again that I've been to before with my friends when I was here the last time. But it is weird to walk around all alone when everybody else is in a big group or in couples because it is a Saturday night. So I'm gonna have to get used to that. I just got back from the concert. I'm super tired. It was honestly one of the best concert experiences that I've had so far, both because of the concert itself, of the performance, and also because of the people, the fans that were there. They were so kind and generous. I got so many gifts. Oh my gosh. When I was sitting there, I was just so glad and happy to be there. I was also able to witness the never-ending Adjunais. It was so fun. I was jumping all the time. So first of all, I got this one from one of the girls that I met while I was getting my ticket approved. She's from Indonesia, so there's a bunch of Indonesian snacks. I actually ate a few already while I was at the venue because I was so hungry. There's this printed card and a letter from her. Also, the stickers are 17 members. This is the first one that I got. Second, I got this Mingyu one. So funny that I actually saw this happening live in Paris at the Dior show. Here are some candies and Dokyeom bracelets because this one is about Dokyeom. And they printed out those meme stickers of him. Actually, during the concert, Dokyeom was one of the members that I loved the most because he was just so hype and sweet. He almost started crying during his ment. During Ajunais, he was dancing so much. He was so wild. I love this one. A scoop photo card sleeve with a bunch of candies. Also a bunch of candies. I honestly felt so bad that I didn't prepare anything when I was receiving these gifts because we were exchanging their gifts. I had nothing. I just felt so bad only taking stuff. There's also a bunch of Chinese candies, scoops, and just a bunch of stickers. Another one with Honu. And then here's xoxo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my trip to Korea and how I spent the first 2 days here and also the concert. There's still a lot of adjusting for me to do. Yesterday I went to bed at like 5 a.m. because of the jet lag. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next Korea vlog.